Hello, my dear friend. Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are well. By the grace of Almighty Creator, I am also well. Now I am staying in the bank of Dibur Dighi, and I am going to show you this dighi. It is one of the ancient dighi in Patnitala Upazila, and it is one of the biggest dighi in this area. People from all walk of life come to here for watching this dighi. Um, as a part of a study tour, the Department of History and Culture student came here for knowing something, for knowing about this dighi. Came here. I have also came here to watch the dighi, and I'm trying. As I came here, and I am making some. I'm making video to show you also, and you can see the dighi. This is biggest dighi that I ever seen. I have never seen this kind of dighi because I have never gone anywhere to visit this kind of dighi. This is the biggest dighi in our locality, especially in Patnitala Thana. I I'm trying to show you.